Hi, my name is Tom Bowling, AIFD, CFD, PFCI, and today I want to share with you some great ideas about just how easy it is to use the Fitz Avery bracelet. And this is actually one of the easier bracelets to use, and you'll notice that it comes with a design disc already attached to it with the ribbons on there. And what I'm going to do is to remove the tape and let those ribbons unfurl. Now the reason that we use the ribbon on here is to allow those people who still choose to do the traditional wire and tape method to adhere that onto the bracelet. But we're going to use it in a slightly different way. I'm going to take those ribbons, put a knot in them, tie that disc down tight, and then at this point cut the ribbons off so it allows us more surface area to work into. And we're going to begin by using some of the permanent leaves, dipping those in and placing those right onto the design disc. Now it might look a little odd at the beginning with these leaves so far out, but what will happen is once we get our flowers and other additions on here, it'll make a little bit more sense. The next thing that I'm going to add on is the ribbon treatment. And you'll notice that the ribbon treatment has been fashioned, and we've used the Astro wire from Fitz, and it becomes a decorative and functional wire. I don't have to worry about the wire showing in the fact that it has that great silver foil wrap to that, and it'll give us a little bit more interest. So I'm just going to dip the end of that ribbon right into the adhesive again and anchor that right into the center of the corsage. We're going to add some additional Fitz first class corsage leaves as we build the bouquet as well, or the corsage. When we do it this way, number one, it gives us a focal interest right at the beginning. Plus it allows us to take our product and actually glue right to the ribbon, so it gives us a little bit more of a stronger foundation. Let me go ahead and do that so you can get an idea exactly what we're doing. Now I'm taking my rose and coating the entire calyx with the adhesive, and I'm going to place that into position, and it's going to snuggle right next to that ribbon. Now we're going to use that ribbon as part of a decorative and functional component in our design. So we're going to repeat that same, coating the entire calyx with the liquid floral adhesive. And really these come out to be just almost like a little centerpiece, and you'll notice that it's more elongated than it is wide, and that's so we can put it on the arm. It'll touch the hand, go up the arm, so it's not broad across the wrist. It actually mirrors the hand itself. And then once again placing one additional rose right into the center just to almost crown that. So as you'll notice, we have a very strong line from the front to the back, and again wearing it as the young lady would onto the wrist, it just works so well when she places it on her arm. Now the next thing that I'm going to add are the sparklers. These are from the Fitz company as well, and you'll notice it's a great way to introduce the rhinestones in. And rhinestones are such a popular trim, not only in dresses but accessory fashions as well. And just by simply taking the sparklers, and I can bend those slightly just to give us a little bit more interest and depth in here, more added value. Dipping that right into the liquid floral adhesive again, placing one on the top and one on the bottom. So as you see, it just surrounds that center placement and really causes our eye to be directed right into the middle as well. As you can see just how easy the Fitz Avery bracelet is to use, and with what great results you'll achieve.